Hey guys, so Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel. To all of my friends, so today I'm going to show you how I cook my simple vegetable lunch. So today I thought to make vegetable and which is my favorite. This is the mustard leaves. So I'm gonna cook this and let's get started how to make. And before start the video, I will request you please don't forget to hit the red button. It's written subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you will get always a new recipe you can see. So finally we're gonna start. Okay, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so first we're gonna wash this. So I'm gonna wash in running water. Gonna add some salt, mustard leaves, just cover and just leave it for 30 seconds. Now it's done. I'm gonna remove the water. Okay, so here is our mustard leaves. So now we gonna cut. So I like to keep little big chunk. So if you want small bite pieces, you can definitely do that. Seasoning which I'm gonna use now. Some dry chili. So chili is according to taste you can add, and some garlic, salt, and little bit cumin seed powder, and 1 tomato. And here is our mustard leaves. Tomato. So once the tomato becomes juicy, now it's time to add all seasoning, and we're gonna mix this properly. Okay, so finally we're gonna add the mustard leaves. Now you can serve with the rice, or you can go with chapati, steam bun, whatever you like. And finally we're gonna add the egg. By the way, this is optionally. I like to eat like this. Okay guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy my simple lunch recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about to bring more recipe. Please share with your friends and family when they also enjoy this simple recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And how it is, don't forget to leave comment below. And for more information, you can visit my Instagram, Facebook page. So I will leave in link in description box. My lunch. I'm very excited to eat this because this is my favorite recipe. Cheers guys.